Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make my husband's favorite dessert, which is a Carlota de Limón. It's so easy to make, super fast, very delicious. If you don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. This is a super easy recipe that only requires 4 ingredients. We're gonna start off by adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're also gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk and the juice of 8 limes, which is about half of a cup. And now we mix it very well. The mixture is now ready and we're gonna set it to the side. We're gonna be layering the cake with Galletas Marias and we're gonna add some of the mixture first. We add some and then we just spread it around. You can add as much as you like. Next we do a layer of Galletas Marias. We're gonna add another layer of the mixture and we're gonna repeat that process until we run out of the mixture. Some people know this dessert by the name of pastel de galleta and others, they call it Carlota de Limón. Okay, we're almost done. I believe this is gonna be the last layer because I am running out of the mixture. Okay, that was our last layer, and now the top part is the remaining mixture. Now we're just gonna decorate it with some lime zest and some lime slices. And there you have it, guys, delicious Carlota de Limón. Super delicious, so fast to make. Now it's time to put it in the fridge, and I like to keep it in the fridge for about 4 hours. It's been about 5 hours since we put the Carlota in the fridge, and now it's time to try it. I'm gonna cut a piece. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. I haven't had this dessert in a while. It's delicious. Super, super good. Very, very flavorful. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.